This is the Starcraft. It's a 2022 Starcraft 210 SVX. This is a deck boat model for Starcraft. Kind of their highlighting features of this particular one is the high horsepower outboard. This is a 200 horse Mercury. You do have the large rear deck on this with storage and a ladder. You do have a walk down on the side, so you don't have to walk on any cushions as you get into the boat. It does come with a full bimini top. You do have your ski pole pylon here, which is removable for storage. You have a large L-shaped seating in the back with interior lighting by the feet. Dual captain's chairs, both which have flip-up bolsters. On the dash, you do have your main cluster as well as your toggle switches. You have a junction stereo system, which is Bluetooth. This particular boat can hold 14 people, and it does come with the windshield, which is an option on these boats. You have your large front seating area with stainless steel grab handles throughout. You do have storage underneath all the seats. You have a table that goes here in the middle, which is removable for storage. A lot of them store underneath in these compartments right here. You do have a center floor ski locker as well, storing skis, life jackets, whatever you'd like. Up front, you do have your cooler, so you can fill that with ice. It is self-draining, so everything you put in there goes right into the bilge. You can take it overboard. Nice thing about these SVXs is you have the large step on the front that is full of marine mat, as well as a front boarding ladder. You do have your snap out marine mat on the interior. Makes it really easy for cleaning. You can pull it out, scrub it down, pressure wash it, whatever you'd like. This one does have the optional marine mat on the siding, so there's soft touch throughout. You have a full cover as well, and there's cup holders that actually go throughout the boat, on the back, the front, and down by the captain's chairs here. And this does have the self-bailing hull, so any water that comes up, over, or raining that comes in, goes out the back through this little hole, and goes into the bilge so you can pump it out. This boat actually has the upgraded optional gel coat. You have 4 tones. You're going to have the black on the bottom, the blue striping on top, the white over here, and then you have the gray throughout the front here. So that is an upgraded color package for this boat. You do have a custom color matched trailer, and you do have the bigger rims and tires on this boat. Being single axle, it's going to be easy to move around. You're going to have surge brakes on the trailer, so it's easy to tow and get it moved around in the showroom or in your garage.